So this is your fan page, right? So I'm just going to call it Facebook for our reference. Okay, so now it's empty because you haven't started to promote it yet. Now, before you want to start promoting your page, you got to have a business model, in a sense that you're not going to go out there and produce content and just and boost and promote your content, because then you're gonna lose money, and that's not your intention. Your intention is to start a business so that you can generate income. So how you're going to do that? Now, what you want to do is that you want to start planning when you want your product to be ready. So the purpose of why you are going to promote your page is because you have an offer. Okay, now the question is that what is my offer? I don't have my product ready yet and so on, and that's okay. So what you do is that you can get your name. What I'll do is that I'll have a domain name, and this offer is where I'm going to give the 4 videos for free. Okay, I'm just going to give you a really simple model. These 4 videos for free. You see, you cannot go out there and do social media if you have nothing to sell. I mean, that's my model. I know there are many social media gurus that tell you to go and put content out every day and so on. I just don't feel secure by doing that. I want to make sure that I do something I can make money. So your offer is basically a landing page. Get this, a landing page where you tell them that if they subscribe, you get these 4 videos for free. And these are the 4 videos with real content, which you have interviewed someone successful, or they could be also the video that you created yourself, like you record the content. So now this page that you have, which is the offer, is telling them, hey, register right now so that you get this content, and so that you get all the future videos that we are releasing for free. Now that is the trigger. Now I say for free is because on your page here, you'll be releasing more videos. So it's okay for you to promise them that, hey, I'm going to give you more videos because after all, you're going to be adding more videos anyway, right? So what you're doing right now is that you launch your page and you're building your mailing list, right? And what you do with your mailing list is that you're going to promote affiliate programs to generate income, to give you the so-called first round of motivation that you can start making money. But you're not going to be a pitch person and go there, hey, you could buy this and so on. You don't have to do that, because the videos will lead to the offer. So let's say there's a video teaching about, I'm just going to make this up, right? Like for instance, the content that you did with me, right? So what happened is that you can say at the end of that, hey, I just finished a workshop by Patric, and he teach so much about social media, and I think that you have to learn about social media at this moment of time. It's crazy if you're not doing anything with Facebook at this moment of time, and so forth, right? And then you can just say, hey, if you want to learn from my mentor, here's the link to check it out. Right, and that is your affiliate link. When they click, they go to the page, and if the page converts, you have just made affiliate commissions, right? It's really that easy to start making money. We are trying to be a pitch person. Now, but it doesn't stop there, because now they are in your mailing list. So here you go. This is your mailing list, right? Okay, I'm just going to call it list after they subscribe. Now, the thing is that what you should be doing is that you build your mailing list, but what you do is that you don't send them the 4 videos right away. So when they subscribe, they receive the first video, and this first video, you set up a web page, right? So then you have this web page, you have this video content or whatever content that you want to give. Then below that is going to be linked to the product that is related to this video. So in this case, in this specific case, if this content is my video, then obviously she should have a link, an affiliate link to my program, so that she can earn affiliate commissions, right? And because it's my content, therefore it makes sense to promote my product. When I use the word my, I'm sure referring to Patric. I'm not referring to me in that sense, right? So the trick is that whatever the content is about, the video is about, you're going to suggest to them something that is related to it for further learning, further education, or a better system to solve whatever thing that's being taught in the video. So in this case, right, technically you will at least have 1, 2, 3, 4 emails, right? Because you have 4 pieces of content, which means you have 4 chances to monetize your leads. But what I will do is that after this email goes out, I'll have in between a follow-up email, So you have another follow-up email here, follow-up, which means, let's say this video is about the interview with me, right? That interview is done. And now the follow-up email will be say, hey, would you want to know about Patric's program, right? Then this is where it's a promotion email. This is a promotion email, and then there's a follow-up here. This will be a promotional email, and then there's a follow-up here. So in total, in this sequence, there will be 8 emails. 4 pieces of content and 4 promotion. So this is set in a way that is sequential, it's fully automated, that she doesn't have to do anything. So you don't have to do anything when you set up these emails. So now you can go out there and promote your fan page, right? We're not going to talk about how to promote fan page here because there will be like way too much things to put on you at this moment of time, but that will be the next step.